I love it.
I think we need another couple bags for the fruit stuff. What are you doing, toy?
I'm doing helicopter dance.
Very nice.
Can you take one step to your left? That way. So you don't hit the glass. There you go. Can you helicopter over your head?
No, it won't hurt my head.
Oh, if you hold it higher than your head, maybe. Another day.
Heading north and west. Heading west, heading north. Heading west and heading north. Heading west and heading north. Heading west, heading north. Heading north, heading west. Heading north, heading west. Heading north, heading west. In the north, heading west.
Alright, can you take it into the living room now?